How to install apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. This is your central hub for discovering and downloading all kinds of applications, from games and social media to productivity tools. Tap on the Search tab, which is located in the bottom right corner. This will bring up a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap inside the search bar and begin typing the name of the app you are looking for. As you type, suggestions may appear, which you can tap, or you can finish typing and press the search button on your keyboard. From the search results, locate the correct app and tap on it to view its details. To begin the installation, tap the cloud icon with a downward arrow. The app will begin downloading, and its icon will appear on your home screen with a progress circle. Once it is fully installed, you can tap it to open and begin using your new app. Following these steps, you can easily install apps on an iPhone.